And the last cocktail in our club series is the Tokyo Tea. Tokyo Tea was created in the 1970s. Nobody knows exactly when. It is an offshoot from the Long Island iced tea, and it is a very popular one as well. This one got asked for a lot too when I was behind the stick in the club. It's basically a Long Island iced tea with the addition of Midori. Today we went a little extra, went a little extra step to make it better. And it's usually topped with Sprite as opposed to Coke, I guess, which would be in your Long Island iced tea to make it tea colored. So you guys kind of know how this goes. First thing we're gonna do is 1 ounce of lime juice.
Today we're not doing that, I guess.
Huh?
Topping it with Sprite.
No, I got like a yuzu, lemony, limey, kind of shishi effervescent soda. There you go, from Fever Tree. I figured, that would be nice. That would be nice, you know what I mean? So then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of light blended rum. I picked the Probitas because it got some of that like Jamaican-y kind of flavor to it. And it also has like a very tropical feel to it. So you want light blended rum, 1/2 ounce. You want 1/2 ounce of vodka. Any vodka will do, whatever floats your boat. Do 1/2 ounce of tequila. We're using the El Velo. And 1/2 ounce of gin. Obviously we're gonna be using a citrus forward gin, so I am going with manly spirits here. And then 1/2 ounce of Midori or other melon liqueur, but I like the ectoplasmy green of it. And then we're sticking with the original, because we're doing this in the spirit of the original as well, right? Do this in a Collins glass, pre-chilled. We are going to open our lemon lime soda, pour about an ounce and a half into the bottom of the glass. Then we shake our cocktail. Give it a strain. Ooh, yeah, I like this. Then add your ice in there. Hey, get in there. One for you. When I do this again, and when I post the specs below, we're adding 1/2 ounce of simple syrup to it because it needs a little simple syrup to balance out. The Midori is not sweet enough to carry it, and obviously the yuzu soda also doesn't have enough sugar in it to really kind of balance that lime. So it's a bit lime forward. So we just add a little 1/2 ounce of simple syrup in there. Otherwise, great drink. It's just not the most complex thing, You get the Midori, you taste the yuzu a little bit. It's green and nice and whatever. But what?
Oh, I say if you're gonna use Sprite or something instead, then it'll probably be.
Yeah, if you use Sprite, then you'll actually, honestly, if you use Sprite, then you'll actually add enough sugar. That's actually a lot more common than something like this. If you use something like this though, add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. This right here is a little undersweet for me. I think I need a little 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. It's just a little off balance. I figured that the Midori had enough sugar to balance it out, and then this would have enough sugar, but it really doesn't. It's got sugar, but just not a lot, so we should need to kind of balance it. But it's nice. It's nice. I do think though that we are going to have to go with a lime wheel on this one as well. I think what we'll do is just like that. So there it is, the Tokyo Tea.